if there was one powerful word, it's relevance. So what every celebrity fears most is to lose their relevance. This didn't make sense to me for a long time. It's like, why was everyone performing with, pick a rap star here, or all once everyone was partnering with Justin Bieber? It's because you would extend your audience and get introduced. You were effectively baptized publicly. It's what the Kardashians did. I mean, to me, they're a virus. The whole family has done horrible things to our society, in my opinion. I'm sure they're wonderful people. I have friends who are friends with them, but what they were is, there were a whole bunch of young girls who wanted to look like them and pouted their lips and did, all the social stuff. And it created a movement, but then it was an entry point. So when I take away Mike's bad attitude here about someone else, I'll regret saying that, I know I will. But to say the objective is, if you walk into a celebrity and say, I know how to help you gain access to an audience you don't have access to. I'm the key to that. And it can't be, I've got an idea. Ideas aren't worth diddly. It'll be like, I have proof that I did this recently. So it's recency, proof of relevancy. That is the way you open up the heart.
For sure. And I've noticed that those people who are a little bit more senior in their careers are always looking for that young energy who can help accelerate that momentum. Like you mentioned there, like if there's someone who's at the later stages of their career, they're more of the incumbent, and then someone new comes in and they say, cool, well, let me do a feature on them or bring them on, and all of a sudden you get access to a new audience, a new relevance, like you just mentioned.
Totally. I was just reading an article today about the Blues Brothers, so Dan Aykroyd, Jim, and Belushi, and they brought back Aretha Franklin's career. She didn't even remember the words to her song Respect, and they had to put them on cards, and Ray Charles was there, and Ray Charles was struggling. A bunch of these old blues players were, and then these two white boys show up and made this movie, and it was a disaster in a whole bunch of ways, but it just took a new audience with some old performers in an entertaining way, basically a language that a different generation spoke, which was these goofy movies. And you have to have the courage to step into that.